Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to turn on dark mode on Messenger, Facebook Messenger. So if you observe, by default, if you install Messenger for the first time for messaging, you will discover it's on white mode. You can see everything is white. And if you're using the earlier version of Android, like Android 6, 7, 9 and 8, there is no dark mode feature on your phone. So this is how you activate it. You click on your profile by the left hand corner at the top. You'll see a menu. Under the menu, you can see under profile, if your messenger is updated, you will see it at the top here. You click on dark mode. You click on on. If you click on system, it means your system, if your phone supports dark mode, if your phone is on dark mode, then automatically your messenger app will turn into dark mode. But if your phone is on light mode, automatically turn on light mode. Let me show you. I'll put my phone on dark mode now. Okay, my phone is on light mode, so let me put it on system. You see it's still maintaining the light mode. If I change it on dark mode now, automatically messenger changed to dark mode. So we don't want that. What I want to do is to turn it on dark mode all through. So I'll put on. You can see it's on dark mode. Even though if I change my system to light, it's even on light mode. If I change it to dark mode, it will not change. So one of the reasons why you should use dark mode is it reduces the brightness of lights coming to your face, especially when you're in a dark environment. So that's the reason why you should use dark mode. And it reduces battery usage a lot, so it prevents your eyes from excessive brightness of the screen and blue-ray lights that are coming from the screen of your phone. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more of this video. I'll be making more videos. Please, the more you like and subscribe to my channel or share the video will encourage me to do more video. Thank you.